Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper fish. So this is a very easy way of making a paper fish and it is useful too. So you can use this as a home decor and you can also use it for playing with your dolls. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity we need a square piece of paper. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half in both the sides. So first I'm folding it in half. Next step is that we're supposed to unfold it and we have to fold it in half on the opposite side as well. Now we have to open the paper again and we have to fold the paper diagonally on both the sides. Like this. So now we have to fold the paper on the opposite side. So now we just have to fold the paper in half like this and we just have to push this part and make it come down and we have to fold it back in like this. So now we'll have a triangle on one side and a square part on the other side. So next step is that we're supposed to take this part in like this and we're supposed to fold the other part out like this. So now we'll have a structure like this. Now we just have to open this part again and we have to push the opposite side back in like this. And now we have to push it back. So we'll have a structure like this. And now we have to fold it and we have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. So you have to fold the paper on the opposite side as well. So after we complete this, we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we'll get a structure like this. Next step is that I'm taking a marker and I'm just going to draw an eye here. I'm drawing an eye. After that, I'm just going to take a pink marker. I'm just going to draw a smiley on the bottom like this. So now you can decorate it in any way you like. I'm just going to draw circles around the paper like this. I'm just drawing a few circles. You guys can even draw lines and you can also draw squigglies. So after you decorate it in your own way, you'll get a fish like this. So now our fish is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!